When you travel, do you ever feel like there's nothing healthy to eat? And especially if you're going to the airport, the prices are ridiculous and the food is just, there are no healthy options, especially if you're a plant-based eater. It can be really frustrating. So that's why I always travel with food, even on a road trip, because I can't be certain I'm gonna be able to find a place where I can get enough food to make me feel full and actually satisfied after I eat. So I always travel with food. And so in this video, I'm gonna show you a couple ideas on how you can pack some healthy food in an easy and quick way, and also in a way where you won't have to take up a lot of space in your luggage after you're done eating your food. I will put links into the bio for the actual items I'm using because I think you're gonna find them super helpful. So the container I'm using today are these collapsible containers. I love them because you can put your food in here to bring with you on the road or on the plane. And then as you're, going from place to place, once you've arrived, you can easily collapse it down like this. And it easily fits into your bag. So it doesn't take up a lot of space. And also if you choose to not use it for the rest of the trip, no big deal. It's not gonna waste a lot of real estate in your luggage. I'm going to make a fruit and cheese plate and a salad. So what I have here is I have some grapes for the wine theme. I have some, I'm gonna put the strawberries in next. And then I have some cherries. Can fit another strawberry. And I'm gonna go ahead and fill up this space here. And then I'm gonna add a few walnuts. Right there. And then just for fun, I'm adding a little thing of vegan cheese, which I do make my own vegan cheese and I have recipes on my website. But for today, just to make things easier, I am using this brand Treeline. It's not an advertisement. I just thought I would give full credit to who this is for. And then there we go. That's a really great, healthy snack. So then I'm just gonna close this up and I'm going to add it to a special insulated lunch pack that I have. So again, I could have done a better job of doing this, but this is a little cooler pack that folds down. You can see it's pretty compact. So this is also going to break down and go into the luggage for the rest of the trip, no problem. I'm gonna put the whole thing in here and it fits perfectly. And then there's plenty of room for the next item, which is the salad. And so I got another container and I'm going to add some finely shredded romaine lettuce. Add a little bit more, and the secret to getting this in is to really compact everything. So now I'm gonna add some cucumbers. And some bell peppers. Some tomatoes. Add a little bit of salt, just a little bit, and pepper. And I'm going to add a couple of lemon wedges. I'll put it right here. There we go, that's it. And if you are somebody who likes dressing, here's an idea for you. Find one of these little tiny jars. And you can just even go to the store and get a tiny little jam jar or something and just empty it out, clean it up, and pour your dressing in here. It's gonna fit perfectly in here. I've done this before. See, it just easily, you could squeeze it in there, close it up, and there you go. I hope you found that video useful, and when you go on your next trip, whether it's a road trip or a plane ride, I hope that it will help you come up with some ideas to making healthy food for yourself so that you don't have to resort to food on the road that makes you feel really yucky and disrupts your energy flow. And if you would like to know where I got the bowls and also the bag, I will put links in the description. And if you want to know more about the recipes that I make, I have a book called Straight from the Soil. It's mostly raw food recipes with a few high raw items in there and lots of information on nutrition for general health and beauty. So I hope you will check that out, and I'll see you guys in my next video.